Say that again?
Perfectionist.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today Michael's gonna come over and we're gonna install a $60 front lip that I got off of Amazon. So I've already kind of put it on the car. It snaps right on. It actually looks really good. So once he gets here, we're gonna install it and then you guys can check it out. So this is our front lip. $60 off Amazon. Wanted to give it a shot because it had a couple of good reviews. Well, only had like 2 reviews on it, so wanted to give it a shot. It was cheap. Seems okay. Seems like it fits pretty well. So when he gets here, which hopefully will be soon, should only take about 20 minutes to install, if that. So I'm excited. And it does come with hardware, surprisingly. So we'll see how well everything fits. Send it! It snugs like right on the bumper, and there's like 4 mounting points, I think. I don't even know if that shit's gonna work or not. So there's no instructions. We're gonna wing it.
Or maybe, I don't know. Are they like, cause like these screws will
I feel like we could just zip the screws in.
right.
Honestly.
Like I don't understand. Unless like they're made to like they go down like this and then like I don't know.
Right there, Freddy. It's made for making your arms bigger.
It's got like the tiniest.
It's really a tricep workout. Is that gonna be fine for the whole thing?
Sure.
I guess we'll find out.
It looks like it. I'd say.
You know what?
I changed my mind. I'm going back.
Because online the pictures were like gloss black. I was like, man, it looks so much better if it was flat black. And it's flat black. Good job. Say that again.
Perfectionist. So we're 3 screws into it. It's a pretty tough install.
Pretty tough install. It's taking about 3 minutes so far.
Might take another 4.
Ridiculous.
Depends how many times I hit my Subaru.
You have a low profile one, don't you?
I have 2.
Ooh.
Really gets the arm workout going.
Yeah. So yeah, that took a whole 8 minutes. We got all fastened up and secured. They sent us some brackets. We have no idea how they were supposed to be installed, and we didn't use them, so it's fine. It's totally fine. It's on there good and tight. Well, guys, there you have it. Quick install, fits great, and it was cheap, so you can't ask much more than that. Thanks again for watching. Short video this time. Next, I think we'll probably do an exhaust. I'll make sure to include a link to the exact lip that I bought from Amazon in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, watch for new videos, and we'll see you next time.